y'all? We are on our way to a secret adventure. We're celebrating our 2-year wedding anniversary, which is tomorrow. For the first time in 10 years, we're going on a trip for 3 days, 2 nights. But the thing is, I don't know where we're going. Only he knows, and he kept it a secret from me. I'm so excited. We are driving 4.5 hours away. I didn't even know what to pack, so I packed everything, but I'm excited. I can't wait to find out where we're going, what type of adventure we're going on, and we're bringing our dog Benji with us, so that like makes me wonder too, where are we going? So excited, 2 years married, anniversary trip. Let's get it.
Alright guys, so we made it here at Getaway Asheboro. I was gonna book the one in Shenandoah, but all those are always booked, so we wanted to try something new and go to North Carolina and try this getaway house. So this is a surprise for Abby. I wanted to surprise her. I got her blindfolded. Alright, let's drive to the getaway house. Ready, babe? Hold on, give me a second. Give me a sec. Yeah, right here. That's my arm. I'm holding Benji,
Oh,
so.
hold your arm.
So you're coming down the steps. Got it? Okay. Ready? Just follow me. Come on. There's 4 steps. 1. Come on, come on, come on. This way, this way. Yeah, come on. There you go. Alright, come on. Around. Hold on. Take it off. Yep. Open it.
Open mine?
Yep. Now turn around.
Oh, it's one of those cool things. Thank you, baby. This is our accommodations for the 3 days, 2 nights. Benji is already making himself comfortable on our bed. Look at this view. Let's look at the bathrooms. So you have your tubs. And nice shower. Do you like it, Benji? Then our little refrigerator to keep all of our things cold for the week. They provided our cell phone lockback so we can truly escape. Also provided us with a s'mores kit. Oh, and they even provided us with the little puppy treat s'mores. That is so cute. Some books, radio, coffee, pots and pans, all the essentials that we would need, and then coffee, oatmeal, soup, spaghetti noodles.
We're gonna check this whole place out. Take Benji for a walk. It's our little getaway cabin. Little lake action right here. Yo, what you doing? What you doing?
Raymart has already begun the fire set up for this evening. Nice fire going on. Good job, babe. So for dinner tonight, I am making some side noodles. It's just a little side dish to go along with the main entree that Raymart is going to be preparing. Of course, we have some rice tonight as well. Ray's preparing the steak. Yes, steak, thyme, butter, corn. Wow. Our dinner is complete. We have steak, rice, corn, and some side noodles. Some Corona by a lantern with this view and the fire keeping us warm. This looks so good, babe. Thank you so much. Happy happy anniversary. Let's eat.
So we're checking out on our getaway.
This was such an amazing surprise. Thank you so much for taking me. I've always seen it on, Instagram, and to actually be here and see the views, it's just everything I could have imagined and more. This location in particular, North Carolina, it's the newest of this pop-up type of sleeping arrangement, and it's gorgeous. You have the water, the trees, it's a true escape, get away, lock your phones up, and just enjoy nature. Amazing. We enjoyed it 5 out of 5.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this experience with us, and
see y'all on the next one.
Benji.